How's it going, everyone? This is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, back here with a highly requested video. So, a common issue that these Bose QC35s have is where they'll turn on by themselves or the battery will drain automatically. And this could be for two main issues. One way to test that, this current headphone does not have this issue, but I'll show you guys the steps. I have it open here to kind of walk you guys through this. So if you turn on your device and turn it off, if you press these volume and play pause button, most of the time when you have this issue, you'll see the lights turn on, and that's one indication of like kind of getting it to turn on by itself. And this issue is either caused by this power switch itself right here. The switch itself, as it has contacts in there as it turns on and off. The contacts wear out over time, so it doesn't see that it's turned off. Like for a second it'll turn off, it'll turn back on because those contacts engage once again. Most of the time, I'd say 80-85% of the time, this issue can be fixed by purchasing one of these switches, taking your old one off, putting it on. Some soldering or a heat gun is required to do that, but you could replace it. We do sell the parts and tools needed to do the repair, or you could send it into our repair center and we could do the repairs for you. But another 20 to 15% of the time, it's actually the whole Bluetooth PCB. Some chip in the board fails or something. We're still diagnosing, kind of finding what exactly the exact cause of that is, but it'll just cause it where even if with replacing the switch, you're still gonna have that same issue. But again, most of the time, in most cases, those are pretty rare, just replacing the switch will solve the issue of the headphones turning on and off by themselves. If you guys have any other comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. I know there's so much information and just back and forth on this topic. So yeah, there's just so much to talk about. So feel free to leave comments below if you're having some kind of other interesting issue. We'd love to kind of hear about it, and hopefully we could kind of diagnose that and then get some information out and offer the repair service on fixing your guys' devices. But link below will be a part to the switch itself, tools, and our repair form as well if you don't feel comfortable. And we'll link videos on how to replace both the board and how to replace the switch itself. So all that information will be below. And if you still have any questions, you could email us, call us, or leave a comment down below. Hope this video was helpful and can help some of you guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to look through the rest of our YouTube channel. We have plenty of repair videos on the Bose QC35, 25, all sorts of other headphone models and brands, and just a lot of electronic stuff, reviews. So if you guys feel like, I don't know, watching something cool, look through our channel. We have some pretty interesting stuff. And then again, everything's linked below, parts, tools, etc. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, got something out of it, and have a phenomenal day.